So today we have Glad trash bags versus Hefty trash bags. So the real thing is we're trying to see which one is stronger versus handling water resistance and tear resistance. So when I got the package for these Glad bags, it said all those things, water resistant. This one says it's tear resistant. It does not say anything about water. We are going to find out what can these handle. This is going to be a two-part video about who can handle the most. And I know there's probably not like a difference in your screens. Well, there is kind of a difference to my screen, and I see a lot of things. So the Glad bag has a red string, a little red string. But the Hefty bag has a blue string. So